first of all, you get rid of some of the water so you can grab the crab without the crab grabbing you. Because when the crab grab you, it hurts. Here we go. Gonna reach down in there, grab one, and look at that.
Pinch that back leg a little bit, you can tell if it's a soft-shelled crab or not. Just kill that crab. Keel his chest right in. Right there at the point. Once he's dead, we'll open him up. Take one side off. There we go. We got nothing but meat in the lungs. Throw away those lungs. We don't eat them. Then we clean another one. Try and be quick because it's raining. More lively. Pinch those legs. Yeah, they're good enough. That crab,